Hello guys, welcome back to another video here on the YouTube channel. Now in this video today, let's talk about P016802 sensor error. This is a P0168 code video, so let's get right into it. Now the causes or the symptoms of P0168 is a check engine illumination, alerting the driver to an issue with the oxygen sensor circuit. Poor fuel economy occurs due to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustment from faulty sensor readings. Rough idle caused by inconsistent engine performance as the sensor reports abnormal voltage, hesitation or sluggish acceleration when the engine struggles to maintain proper combustion, failed emissions tests resulting from rich exhaust conditions, and improper sensor function. Now, causes of P0168 is going to be a faulty oxygen sensor, though you are going to have incorrect voltage readings and trigger the P0168 code. Any shorted or damaged wiring, especially sensor 3 on bank 2, can become shorted, frayed, or disconnected, leading to high voltage signals or intermittent faults. Now, next going to be an exhaust leak in your sensor. So, leaks in the exhaust manifolds or pipes near the sensor can affect oxygen levels and cause sensor voltage to appear abnormally high. Next, going to be contaminated sensor. So, contamination from oil, coolant, or fuel additives can coat the sensor surface, impairing its accuracy and causing voltage irregularities. Next, can be ECM malfunction. Now, your software or hardware faults can affect the sensor signal processing or even voltage monitoring. Next, going to be the fixes for P0168. Now, this is pretty simple and throughout, but replace the oxygen sensor to ensure proper, monitoring, and repair or replace any wiring that may be frayed, shorted, or even corroded. Seal exhaust leaks, so make sure that you seal any exhaust leaks to prevent any false readings. Test the sensor, voltage, and heater, and update or replace the ECM if you have to. These are fixes that you can use for P0168. So anyways, thank you guys all for watching another video here on the OBD Master YouTube channel. If you have any questions by any chance, leave them down below, all right? Whether it's a very crazy question, very, hard question, we'll be sure to answer you and get back to you as soon as possible, because that's the whole point of this YouTube channel. So anyways, thank you guys all for watching, and we'll see you until next time.